Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enter developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to open system section, go to the about phone, find the line build number here, and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. So now you can find these developer options here in the system section. So here you can get to know with them, and also here you can disable them, and after that they should disappear from the settings list. So as you can see, no more developer options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.